Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 2. We have a busy week. So we're going to cover a lot of ground here. You have a few different sections to read in our textbook that's really going to just ask and answer, hopefully help you to answer the questions. Why are you here and what to expect? And just give you some good insight into college in general and get you really thinking and to help you make the most of this experience. So that's what this is about. So you'll click on each section here. It'll take you to the textbook. And again, read through that. You will answer, your Flipgrid this week will be kind of based on your readings and the answers to those questions that you come up with. And then the next thing that's so important, we see this every year, students struggle with emailing. So whether you're emailing me or admissions or another instructor, that is, especially since you guys are online students, like that is the way you will communicate with us. And it is so very important that you get some basic tips on how to do that well. So I have created here, you'll click right here, some just email etiquette for you as students to your instructors. It's very self-explanatory, but I wanted to give you some basis here before you do your assignment. So you will read through these. And then I have also linked a separate, just some extra help. I found this video on YouTube. It'll take you right here. He goes through all of the steps with you. So if you'd rather watch a video instead of reading tips, that's there for you. So I want you to take this seriously because again, it's so important. And then you're going to practice. So you're going to read and then you're going to practice on how to do it. So in order to, you're going to create a mock email based on a certain scenario. So it details it all here. So you'll just click. You've got different examples of what not to do here. And then you have the actual assignment itself. So the tips are linked here as well for you. And then you have the actual assignment. So you're going to read through this, imagine that you've had a busy week. Oh, the cat jumps on your computer. So it's a scenario. Make sure you follow the tips, that you give all of the correct information, that you provide everything. So you'll just click right here, create submission. You can type it here, or you can type your submission in Word or Google, whatever, and then upload that as a document here. So whichever way works best for you. Since we are talking about emails, I wanted to actually show you in Gmail too, just to maybe, if you've never sent an email, just to give you a little extra help. So this is my email. This is what it should look like. If you were going to send me an email or another instructor, you could start by just typing in like our first name, and it should populate it here for you. So you would select the name, and then again, the subject is super important. So it goes over there in the tips, but I would ask you specifically if you're going to email me to type in, you could type out freshman orientation, or you can just do that, ORII or I111, and then your section. So you can find the section at the top of your blackboard here. If you're in this course, this specific section is 6269, and I have a different section, so yours may be different if you're in my other section. So whatever your section is, if you would put that there for me, it would be super awesome. So I know which course you're in, so I can find you the quickest. And then you're going to give a brief thing of, what it's about, right? So pretest or pretest question or email assignment, clarification, something like that. So you'll have a greeting, you'll type it out your message. Make sure that you tell me your full name. If I'm gonna need to know your student ID for whatever reason, you'll put that in and then you'll send. You can also schedule emails to be sent. Just FYI, if you ever wanted to do that, if you're up really late at night or early in the morning, you could schedule it to be sent at 8 a.m., something like that. So I hope this is helpful to you, but again, emailing is extremely important. So take the time to kind of get down the tips that you need to do that well. And then your flip grid is linked right here. So I want to know what do you hope to gain from college and from the college degree that you earn? Why did you specifically choose Carl Albert? And then where do you hope to go from here? So I'm excited to listen to those. It's going to be really great. As always, if you have any questions, you can put them in the question and answer discussion board, reach out to me directly. I hope you have a great week.